How to make a set of animal characters in fake leather or real leather. There's the flying Dumbo, a lively rabbit, a baby cow, a grazing moose, and a crouching tiger. Print out the set of free templates which are linked in the description. Cut around the animal shape you want and using a glue stick attach it to the surface of your leather or fake leather. Cut out the shape carefully along all the bold black lines using craft scissors. Use a hole punch to make holes for the rivets which are marked on the template, and also holes for the eyes and nose. Now you can peel away the paper template. Now you can reuse the template for producing the stripes, the black stripes for the tiger. Cut out and then glue those pieces into position using contact cement. Glue a piece of black material on the back of the head here to darken up the eyes and the nose. Fold the pieces as you can see demonstrated here and then rivet into place. A pair of pliers can be used to set the rivets, but I happen to have a dedicated rivet setter which I'm using here. Repeat the folding and riveting on the other side. And then add one more rivet towards the tail end to hold the piece together. Then it's completed. The construction method is basically the same for all of the animals, but there are some small differences. The rabbit gets another rivet in the center, as you can see here, and I also used a piece of thin wire which is secured with some glued down leather material to give some definition and shape to the ears, to make the ears stand up. The cow figure uses a grommet as a kind of nose ring. And the moose is glued just under the chin of the moose to help it hold together at the front just there. And 2 dabs of contact cement were also used just here to make the antlers stand up. I hope that you enjoyed making these projects, and please check out my channel for more similar tutorials and free downloads.